Between these two home decor products, could you spot which one is the real versus which one is the dupe? Now in today's video, we are gonna be sharing 8 home decor products styled in our home, and we are gonna see if you all can spot the dupe. Also, I'd like to take a moment and thank Ruggable for their partnership on today's video, but we will tell you more about them in a little bit. 10 seconds on the clock. Which one is the real? Which one is the dupe? Ready, set, go. Here we go. We have our first products. We have these beautiful armchairs right here. I personally think both of these are absolutely beautiful, but they have pros and cons to both of them. Over here, we have the comfort one. This one is super, super cozy, and this one is full of cotton, and it's just really comfortable to sit in. And this one was $399. This one is a home good, so I have 2 of these. Both of them have the same wood type, the same curves, everything, the dimensions, everything's spot on. But this one has grooves in it. The color of stain is beautiful, and it just looks a little bit more higher end. The seat, the fabric of it is a little bit like denim, and I personally love it. It adds a little bit of texture to the space, and especially with the look of my home, this one just would be so much more fitting. It's gorgeous. Where this one has the gray tones, the dark wood, that kind of reminds me a little bit of like furniture store, where this one looks a little bit more like custom, like Pottery Barn kind of thing. This one was $705. This is a poly and bark, the broken one, and this one is being returned because it is broken. I love this. I wish I could get both of these. It's just so much more expensive. And this one, it looks beautiful. So, and it's really cozy, so my family really enjoys it. Now that we have talked about the armchair, I wanna share with you all what is underneath it, and it is our beautiful Ruggable rug. We have now 4 Ruggables in our home, and we're obsessed. They're absolutely stunning, and we love the look of them. They have vintage style ones and farmhouse style ones, and they just really fit the look of our home. And this one right behind us is the 8x10 Verena dark wood rug, and we have the cushion underneath, which is great for our little ones because sitting on the hardwood floor when they're eating their little snacks on the coffee table, it can be hard on your knees or your tush, and so that extra cushion on the Ruggable is just really beneficial, and it is amazing when my kids spill because the Ruggables are actually washable. Really, really convenient, and we absolutely love them. So if you guys want to check out Ruggable for yourself, use my code LivinItCountry10 at checkout in the description box below, and let's go ahead and continue the splurge versus dupes. Next product, 10 seconds on the clock, ready, set, go. Here is the original home decor candlestick bundle that's from Antique Farmhouse. And here's the home decor dupe from Hobby Lobby. Now, although these look almost identical except the paint job on them, there are a lot to compare these 2 products to. One of them, this one being from Antique Farmhouse, the only way to get this is it being shipped directly to your door, and then the one from Hobby Lobby being you have to physically go there and pick it up. Now, I would say that this is something more people might have in their home because I feel like it has less of a farmhouse look, where this one with that chippy white, I feel like most designers kind of gravitate not towards at all, but I personally love this one. So the price comparison, this kit right here is $48 for the bundle, with the Hobby Lobby ones being $40 together, and that is without that 50% off sale. I got these for 50% off, you know how they do those every month, and so it ended up being $20 for the bundle of these. Now, quality wise, they are exactly the same. If I was to pick one versus the other, look wise, I would go for this, and obviously price wise, I would go with this. Next product, 10 seconds on the clock, ready, set, go. Here we we have two beautiful candles. Both of these absolutely stunning and would complement any space, whether that be like a coffee table, a kitchen, a dining room, and really such a luxury looking gift. This is the high-end candle. It's the grapefruit scent by Nest, and this one is a citrus scent, and this is from Home Goods. This is actually, I believe it was $12.99, $14.99, compare at $22, and this one was $96. A huge difference in price, but if you're wanting a gift, this would be a great way to make it look like you spent a lot more money. Just looking at the inside of the candle, you can definitely tell which one is higher quality. If you're looking to decorate with these, either one is great. If you're looking for a good scent, I'm too scared to light this. It's just so beautiful. It's a great accent piece in any home, and I actually love both of them. If I'm gonna light a candle, it's definitely gonna be this one. For looks, I would definitely vote for this one. Last products, 10 seconds, ready, set, go. This one I think is a really tricky one to figure out which one is more expensive. Now, I personally think this one, hands down, looks way more spendy, where this one looks cheaper to me. This one is actually the more expensive one. This one was $25 on Amazon, where this one was $12.99 at Home Goods. Now, I feel like maybe this one was more expensive because of the curves to it. It looks a little bit harder to duplicate and to dupe, where this one has a very simple design. This feature can come right off and slip off, and it's more of a classic looking vase. This one being much larger, so I don't know, maybe things that are larger aren't always more expensive of home decor products. But I personally love both of these. I think that this one would be so beautiful with, like, as a gift to give flowers in, some wildflowers, really pretty. But the quality of these are both really great, and I personally love this for any like tray that you might gift or put in your kitchen. It's just both of these great pieces. Let me know down below how many of these home decor items you got right, and if you enjoyed today's video, I will see you in this one right here.